about left? More fries?
Maybe more ice cream as well.
More ice cream, yeah.
Please. That's good. Puddings, chef.
Amazing.
Pudding department. Chef to pudding. Robbie, you got fries working? You got one mac and cheese all day? Do a tomato salad in the background as well, please. You're going to give me one mac and cheese straight away, as soon as it's ready, yeah?
I'm waiting for that time, or should I take it out now?
It's going to take another 10-11 minutes.
Get one output on your stove.
Yeah.
You order ribs, skewer. 2 ribs all day, 1 skewers on the grill. Great. And give me fries, no chicken salt. Please. Are we running out of the strawberry?
Yeah. No, it's not running out. But
You know why? Someone's left out the freezer. Be very, especially it gets humid in here. That's why it lives in the I've ordered more, it's coming through. It's just gotten humid, that's right. It doesn't like humidity.
Why don't you, we use
No, that's, the freezer is dry, that's why it lives. The freezer's drier than the atmosphere out here, that's why.
No, but what I'm saying, why don't we use the ones that come already like room temperature? So
They come room temperature, it won't stay that way. It'll go like that. In this kitchen, it's so humid in this kitchen, trust me. This kitchen is sticky business. Robbie, you put a few more fries in your fries here. They're looking a bit shallow, yeah? Coming up on these, boys?
So 3 fowl, 1 protein.
Yeah, you're going to 3 fowl, 2 koji, 3 fries, 1 mac and cheese. Robbie, you should have 2 ribs coming for me, yeah? You order 1 ribs, 2 strips of the sauce selection, mac and cheese. Yeah. What do you mean? It is finished.
So I mean like places.
Oh, like that. There you go. I'm very confused. Oh!